how to change bank details on Binance. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can change bank details on Binance. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Binance app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign in to your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to click on the Binance accounts icon at the top left corner of your screen. After that, you have to click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then you have to just scroll down until you see payment methods. So just go ahead and click on that. Over here, just click on the option where it says P2P payment methods. After that, click on add a payment method. Then just click on all payment methods. Over here, you can search for any bank that you want to add or have and can change or update your details accordingly. So that's how you can change bank details on Binance. That's all for this video.